If you're not taking CMOS and Silogit during this winter, you are missing out on some serious immune support. Our CMOS gel is packed with minerals your body needs and helps support your immune system during the colder months. And the Silogit is known for natural energy, stamina, and mineral support. This is part of my daily routine to stay strong during winter and energized as well. In the morning, you can add a little bit of water, boiled water, in a cup. And this is just to prepare your Silogit. I take the back of my teaspoon, that's about a pea size, and I dissolve it in my water. I will leave it there for a couple of minutes and just start stirring. So if you want to start your routine, you can get it from mocmos.com or visit us in store at number 10 First Street in Bishop Lavis or at the Gallery Center in Milnerton. Have a beautiful day.